Cloud RAN is poised to offer immense value to operators with unprecedented flexibility and efficiency. Gautam Bagra is here with me to highlight the benefits of Cloud RAN and the value of strategic partnerships. What are some of the benefits that Cloud RAN will deliver to our customers as it reaches commercial deployment?
Yeah, that's a great question, right? I think the table stakes is always going to be there. A Cloud RAN network will be as efficient and as highly performant as a traditional RAN network. That's a given. But more importantly, I think a Cloud RAN network is also going to be better when it comes to total cost of ownership. And let me explain a bit more about what I mean by that. When I think about TCO, or total cost of ownership, there are two key components in that. There's the CapEx and the OpEx, which includes people and power costs. So as the innovation continues within the silicon and the hardware stack, we will continue to make sure we solve for some of those challenges around the OpEx when it comes to power consumption. But it's equally important for the operators to change the way they operate their network and leverage the efficiencies that they can gain by having a truly cloud-based operating model. And finally, I think Cloud RAN is going to give rise to innovation by enabling our telco operators to think about new use cases and the innovation within the ecosystem that they haven't even thought about yet.
So speaking of customers, can you share any customer interactions or projects that you've collaborated with Nokia Mobile Networks on?
Yeah, we have been collaborating on multiple projects. We currently are collaborating on multiple projects across the world. The key customers in Europe, in Asia Pac, in Middle East, as well as the US. But one of the publicly referenceable ones is the work we did together at Vodafone Italy, where we basically tested and piloted the Cloud AnyRAN software from Nokia on top of Dell XR8000 servers. And I think it was truly transformational in terms of the outcomes we drove there. First of all, Vodafone Italy now has access to all the benefits that a Cloud RAN solution brings, and we just spoke about all the benefits of having a Cloud RAN solution, but also the Dell infrastructure portfolio that's been deployed there as part of the pilot enables them to get access to a lot more benefits in terms of future-proofing their network investments, running potentially additional workloads, and making sure that the operations are seamless and easy.
So in your view, what future advantages do you see AI bringing to the industry?
Yeah, it's a great question. And if you have heard the keynote speakers and most of the speakers, AI was all over in the stage today. I think there's already a lot of benefits customers are getting from AI, right? And if we broadly categorize the 4 buckets under which we see opportunities for telco operators, I think the first one is basically revenue generation, right? AI is being used to find new use cases and sources of revenue for telco operators. GPU as a service, sovereign AI are some of the examples within that. But more importantly, they're also leveraging AI to provide a much better customer experience using ChatGPT and other chatbots within their portfolio to provide a much better experience. They're also using AI to make sure the network becomes more efficient. Right, so we heard about predictive fault management, maintenance, and so on and so forth. But lastly, they're also using AI to make themselves a much more efficient business by leveraging the capabilities that come along to improve the way they code, they build, and they deploy products. But it's not an easy journey to consume these AI resources. That's why I'm very glad to announce today that we are launching Dell AI for Telecom program, which in partnership with NVIDIA, where Dell's bringing our capabilities in providing these services around AI, but more importantly, the infrastructure stack, all the way from servers, storage, and network portfolio, as well as an ecosystem of partners that are going to work with us on use cases that will help our customers consume AI a lot quicker.
Gautam, thank you for sharing your insights into how Cloud RAN will transform customer experiences and the exciting innovations that lie ahead. If you want to learn more about Cloud RAN's commercial deployment, visit us at nokia.com.